Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just a little short video for me to ask a question to one of my fellow YouTubers named Bruce Wyborg. Bruce finds all sorts of stuff at flea markets and places like that. So Bruce, I got a question for you. What is this? Is it something somebody put together, or is it something really manufactured by a company? It's got a Fairbanks, I'm assuming a Fairbanks Morse engine on it. Can't hardly read it. It's 3 horsepower. Fairbanks Morse. So, if you could tell a little bit right there what it is. It's got a half of a wooden drum on it. And inside of it, it looks like it, at some point in time, did it hold water, and they pumped water. So, this might be the tongue to it, the front of it. So if you know what this is for, leave it in the description below.